어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 고인 이불 속에서 고인 고인은 언제나 너에게 고인
Pasar modal. Understanding capital market. The meaning of the capital market is activities related to public offering and securities trading. Public companies related to the securities the issue, as well as institutions and professions related to securities. The definition of capital market according to this law is somewhat different from the official website of the Indonesian Stock Exchange (BIE). According to the IDX, the meaning of the capital market is the market for various long-term financial instruments that can be bought and sold, including debt, securities, bond, equity share, mutual fund, derivative instrument, and other instruments. This market also acts as a means of funding from government-owned companies and institutions as well as elements in investing. In essence, almost all countries in the world have capital markets to facilitate the demand and supply of capital for society, government, and industry. Capital market function. Even though is a place for buying and selling securities, the function of the capital market is not just this activity. Come on, get to know the following capital market function. 1. A means of increasing business capital. For companies, the capital market can be a means in increasing business capital. This is done by releasing shares to the public is issuing debt securities, aka bonds, in the way. The company will get price fund for companies that want to sell share. The way to do this is with an initial public offering, aka IPO. 2. Main in income distribution. Can capital market have an impact on income distribution? The answer is absolutely correct. For example, the distribution of the dividends aka company profit to shareholder or selling share you already own. That is why share sale and dividend and considered a means of equalizing income in the long term. Number 3. Means of increasing production. Initial capital obtained through issuance of bonds or a stock IPO will certainly increase the company's financial health. What else will it be used for in not increasing production? That will companies that IPO for issue bond usually immediately improve their company performance. Number 4. Man of creating jobs. The existence of the capital market encourages the development of their industries. So, this is not surprising that the existence of the capital market has a positive impact on the job opportunities. 5. Increase state income. Dividend distributed to shareholders will be subject to government tax. Therefore, tax income can increase as the issuer performance improves. Capital market players. The following are the parties in the Indonesian capital market structure. 1. Financial Service Authority atau OJK. 2. Stock Exchange. 3. Clearing and Guarantee Institution. 4. depository and settlement institution. 5. Securities company. 6. Securities underwriter. 7. Merchant intermediary. 8. Investment manager. 9. Investment advisor. 10. Capital market supporting institution. Capital market instrument. 1. Stock. Shares are securities that are used as proof of ownership of a company. This capital market product is considered very popular among investors in the capital market sector. 2. Bonds. Bonds are proof of debt securities issued by companies or countries. Usually bond issuance is bought by the public or investor who want to make a profit because there is a difference between the principal value of the debt and the interest coupon. The principal value of the debt is value on the bond itself, meanwhile interest coupons are the profit for excess obtained by bond buyers. Number 3. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are one of the most recommended investment for beginners because with only EDRs 10,000 in capital, you can buy this product. There are 4 types of mutual funds that are quite popular in Indonesia, namely money market mutual funds, fixed mutual fund, stock mutual fund, and mixed mutual fund. 4. Exchange traded funds, ETF or exchange traded fund is a type of investment that is almost the same as mutual funds. The difference is that ETF products are traded more for company share on the stock exchange. Purchase of ETF product must go through several securities companies. Meanwhile, the transaction production can be done using the trading application they provide. 5. Derivatives. The next type of investment is derivative securities. Derivatives are derivative products, and therefrom is a trading contract, not a real financial asset. There are 3 types of derivative you need to know, namely option, futures contract, and swaps. Benefit and risks. 1. Benefit is investing in the capital market. Compared to other investment instruments, investing capital on the stock exchange provides 5 main benefits, namely 1. SC distribution method can be done with small fund. The profit level is quite low. Investment value can continue to grow. Can be used as collateral because applying for a loan with share a collateral in legend in the eyes of Indonesian law. 2. Risks of investing in the capital market. All investment instruments have their own risks which are different from as other. In the capital market, there are 2 risks that occur, namely capital loss and company liquidation. Capital loss in the negative difference between the selling price of capital market instrument, share, bond, mutual fund, and the purchase price. In short, this difference is a lot, not a profit like capital gains. Company liquidation is the dissolution of business entirely because if a declared bankrupt bondholder get their right first while shareholders usually get their right last. If there are still remaining sales of company as